Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to convert subtask to task here in Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Converting a subtask to task in Asana is a straightforward process, but of course it can give you beneficial results that could sometimes be overlooked in complex projects. Now, I find that converting a subtask to a task brings it to the forefront, making it more visible and ensuring it receives the attention that it deserves, right? Now, here, I'm going to create a subtask. Basically, if you wanted, we have a separate video on how to create a subtask, right? That you might want to check out on our channel. But basically, once you are inside the task that you wanted, you see there's going to be an option that says add a subtask to split work into smaller parts. I may do that for you. Now, I'm going to rename this as Andy's Guides. Maybe a subtask. No, subtask converted to task. Now, let me go back again there. On the subtask, if you right click on it, there's no option for you to like convert a subtask to a task, right? Like mark as task, milestone, copy. There's no option for you to do that. If you click on the subtask details, however, all right, what will happen is, so you see you don't have any option here. You can only comment, add another subtask here, but nothing's really important like converting this one. But instead, what I need you to do is go back there, go to the specific subtask. This one, I want you to hover your mouse here and drag it all the way to the make sure it's on the hands pointer. Drag it here. You see that? Now, the subtask to convert the task is already here. You see? I dragged it from this part into this section, and that's basically how you convert subtask to a task here in Asana. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.